Let's start.
Yeah. So, guys, we have here with me today Samarth Palkar, and I understand Samarth has been able to earn about 8 lakh rupees within 2 months, 3 months, Samarth, of launching your
Ye-
course, the online teaching.
Yes, 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 yes.
Congrats, Samarth. That's a great
Thank,
achievement. 8 lakh rupees within 2 to 3 months' time. Wonderful. So, congratulations, first of all.
thank you, sir.
And also congrats for earning that 8 lakh rupees within 3 months time. So how do you feel now after having achieved this?
There is a lot of excitement, and I'm really excited about to. So there is a new opening. There is a new world for me. So I'm
I know.
very much excited to explore the new world, which
Okay.
I came to know through Teach Online.
Right. Our program.
So
Okay.
yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So before starting this online teaching, what were you
Mm.
doing earlier?
Sir, I have rather my offline classes in Mumbai at two locations. One is Dadar and the other one is Parel.
Okay.
So we teach 11th and 12th along with the competitive exams like JEE, NEET, and NAT.
Okay.
So I have been in this field for last 25 years,
Wonderful.
and my own classes are there for more than 21 years. So
Okay.
I'm teaching for 25 years and my own classes for 21 plus years.
Okay.
Few years back, because of some few things in life, I had to face many losses. I had to sell one of my property, which was in Lalbagh, which was my supposed to be the head office.
Okay.
And uh, Now I'm in the recovery stage actually through life.
Hmm.
What has given life has given me many lessons, and I'm recovering from that.
Wonderful. Good to know that. So this online teaching is now helping.
Yes, definitely it is helping, and I'm very happy.
Hmm.
I'll tell you, students are very happy, and
Okay.
because I teach +1 and +2 students,
Uh,
for the first time I took parents meeting online, and the
oh, okay.
parents were so wow. I have so many. See, previously I used to take feedback on pages. They used
Uh,
to write the feedback, and then I used to preserve it, and I used to use it if I required
right.
for my marketing purpose. Now I
Mm,
have videos which students and their parents are giving me on
right.
their own. Like they
Okay.
send a video, and when I took that parents meeting for the first time online, it was really a wow.
Okay. Okay.
I was so happy to see the happy faces on the
Eh,
on the screen.
right. I can understand that.
And I I initially I started because I was just sitting idle during the COVID situation. I
Uh,
initially also started some free courses,
okay.
and there was a huge response. And I also got interviewed through a newspaper, Maharashtrian local
Oh,
newspaper.
great. Okay.
I got
That's an
interviewed through it.
achievement, Samarth.
Yes, yes, yes,
Mm,
yes,
mm.
yes, yes. It's something different I'm going through, and
Okay.
which is very good, and I'm very happy and very excited towards it
Yeah.
right
Yeah.
now.
So before enrolling in our course, the Teach Online course, were you aware of these opportunities online?
I was, but
Uh,
every time I used to discuss with anyone
mm,
in the coaching industry, anyone in my family or in my friends, everyone used to
mm,
pull me down. कि ये
mm.
इसमें कुछ मजा नहीं है, कुछ नहीं होगा, तो क्यों इसमें already I had incurred many losses in my
Right.
business,
Right. Right.
and there were loans, and everyone who used to pull me down. कि नहीं ये
Mm,
this is not possible.
mm,
And the most important thing was I was aware, and I was
mm,
slowly gathering the informations. Few
mm,
things I tried to implement on my own, but there was
mm.
no confidence.
Right.
I was literally very fearful because I knew how to record the classes prior to this.
Mm,
But I recorded one or two classes, but then I
mm,
left it, and
mm,
I knew how to edit, but I
mm,
left in between.
mm, mm,
Literally for last 2 years I was in and out, in and out, in and out. That was the
mm.
only thing that was happening prior to teach online, I can
Right,
say.
right. So you attended the program with me at Mumbai Hotel
Mumbai,
Goldfinch at Andheri
Hotel
last
Gold,
December.
December
And before
8th,
you,
15th.
yeah, before you joined the course, you actually attended the free seminar that I conducted. Did you attend the free
Yes,
seminar?
yes, yes, yes. Yeah, that was at Dadar.
Yeah.
This Dadar TT Circle, that hotel. I don't remember name right now.
I
Uh,
think Ramji guest line days is
no, no, no,
Ramji.
no, 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 no,
Rami,
no.
Rami International, Rami.
No, no, no. It was not in the. No, this
Mm.
was not. I have that. I
Hotel
don't.
City Point.
City Point. City
City
Point was
Point.
not.
Yeah.
And something different I found, because I was going through some depression due to all the losses, and
Mm, mm.
I saw your ad on Times of
Times
India.
of India. Mm,
I took the photograph also for that
mm,
ad, because in the
mm,
morning I saw that. I took the photograph and I thought
mm,
of calling or registering myself after
mm,
some time, and I
mm.
actually forgot.
Right.
And I again thought in the evening I lost one more opportunity in my life. But luckily, that ad came in
Next day
I
also.
think next day also. So
Okay.
I took that opportunity. Let
Uh,
it be anything. Now I'm going to
mm,
go there.
mm, mm,
This was when I went there again. Yeah, you might not remember, but I came there and you were standing behind,
mm.
and I came there and I
Mm.
was in my own masti. I said, "Can I sit here on the last bench?" Last
Ah,
row.
okay.
And you said, "Sir, please, the front seats are
Yeah,
vacant. Please
yeah,
go there."
yeah,
And
yeah.
I went there. I was
Mm,
initially upset, but then
mm,
I saw you were the one person who came later on and who started delivering.
mm,
And I first thought you were the assistant, and you
mm.
started delivering. And the thing I observed was, can how can a person be so down to earth who is handling everything? How
Okay.
is it possible? I used to always think in my seminar,
Mm.
I want 10 assistants, 15 assistants.
I
So
know,
that
I
way,
understand.
and,
Uh, uh,
and then it went on. Something that clicked was, I thought ki this is something which I was searching.
mm,
I was still, I'm not out of it, but I was going through a very bad financial
mm,
situation at that time.
mm,
I
mm,
remember that
mm,
day.
mm,
And I knew if I asked someone in my family or
mm,
my friends, can I
mm,
join this? They are
mm.
definitely not going to allow me. And what I did was I went out.
Mm,
I had
mm.
my credit card. I
Right.
thought, चलो इतना जुआ खेल लिया है जिंदगी में एक और. And but then it was a calculated risk I felt, because something that
Mm,
I saw during the seminar,
mm,
I thought, "Okay, this is going to change my life,"
mm,
and I
mm,
registered myself.
mm, mm.
Later
What?
on,
Oh, sorry to interrupt. Yeah. What made you enroll for the course?
uh, I think I was actually looking for some mentor or for some teacher, or you can see some guru in a higher
Okay.
spiritual way. And
Mm,
I
mm.
saw something when you were talking. I uh, thought that I have reached my destination.
Okay.
Something I was looking for. The way you were explaining the, no, during that free seminar, and
Mm,
during this free seminar also, you were giving me so much details.
mm,
Even
mm,
with that details, I remember that next couple of days I worked
mm,
so hard on online part.
mm, mm,
Even with
mm,
that details, it was helpful.
mm,
So I thought, "Ki this is going." And the other important thing was, which I observed during the seminar,
mm,
the person who was delivering, that means you, was
mm,
so confident that
mm.
he didn't offer me tea, he didn't offer me juice or anything. He was very clear, "Okay, I'm giving you this free,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I want to give this. I'm not offering you tea or coffee. You are not here as my guest or something."
Correct.
Uh, I thought कि ये बंदे में इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है कि ये जो अपना माल बेच रहा है उसमें इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है. तो ये हो मतलब that's the reason I decided to enroll. So
Okay.
I had many questions in my head at
Mm,
that time
mm,
also,
mm,
and
mm,
you allowed us to ask the questions also at
mm,
the end.
mm, mm.
But the most important thing I did was I went out of the room. I
Okay.
registered myself. I went home.
Right.
Because I
That's.
was sure, because I have registered, all my
Mm,
questions will be answered
mm,
during the
mm, mm.
class. So that is what it happened actually
So,
during
how
the
do you
class.
feel now about that decision you made to register in the course?
So see, if you look at money, I
Mm,
recovered my money, right?
wonderful.
But if you
Mm,
look at value, the
mm,
values which I'm carrying right now,
mm,
that value for which I paid you,
mm.
is you can say race to infinity, which I'm doing right now, because this is not the
Yeah.
end. This is just a beginning.
Super. Super. Wow. Okay.
So
Okay.
the value is much, much, much higher
Mm, mm, mm,
than
mm.
what I paid there.
Thanks a lot. Yeah. And if you were to mention three things that you learned through the program, which helped you launch your online teaching, what would be those three things?
So the most important thing I learned that is everything. Actually, the first thing which I want to mention here is that for everything there is a software.
Yeah, repeatedly I was emphasizing that. I remember that. Yeah, I keep telling all my participants, every free webinars, seminars also, for everything there's a software, obviously.
But you know what? I launched my online course, right? Live course, which I'm conducting right now. But the question arises is how to conduct the exams now, because I'm
Right.
teaching +1 and +2, so you have
Right.
long answers, short
Right.
answers. There is
Correct.
no
Correct.
only MCQs.
Correct.
So I searched last week, and I found that there are softwares wherein you can conduct this exam also.
Exactly.
So it is just like a classroom environment where the camera is on the student, or the student is writing the exam.
Correct.
And the moment the time is over, the paper can be snatched out. You can check the paper, you can send it back to them. There is a software.
Yeah.
And this is something I got from this seminar, that for everything there is a software.
Okay.
Another few things I would like to, or rather a couple of things I would like to mention is, for everything what I have to do, you taught us key. There has to be a micro planning.
Correct.
Each and every word that I'm using, that has to be in a very planned manner. The tone, even the tone, the tone I'm using, my facial expression, everything, my body should speak in that case. So,
correct.
And for that also there was a plan how
Right.
to do that.
Right.
And you taught us each and everything, each and every small step. I remember YouTube channel that I created after watching your videos. So I just followed one thing. I used to watch the video. There were two windows open at the same time. One was YouTube and one was Wall. So I used to watch for 5 minutes. I used to implement. I used to watch. I implemented. I watched. I implemented.
Perfect.
Even you remember that channel explanation was there. So you have
Correct.
to talk about your channel.
Yeah. Right.
So you told us, okay, these are the words to be used, how to use, and what are the things to be used. So I actually did that. I just converted that thing for my I launched one video also. While launching one video for of probability, that was a demo video,
Okay.
which was still of 1 hour, but it was a demo video. So while writing the explanation, I implemented each and everything that. So that was the thing. Key for each thing, each and everything, you have to plan it in a proper way.
Correct.
You have to think about what the other people are thinking about this.
Right.
So
Right.
what will they get? And the most important thing is, as I said, I was lost before in my life, before the Teach Online course. So I regained my confidence.
Wonderful.
I identified my capabilities and capacities, and I identified what I'm good at. So I started working on it because of this. And
I'm happy this happened for you, Samarth.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I'm sure everyone who puts effort, the universe is there to actually grant our wishes. I'm really happy that you have now regained your confidence, and
Yes,
things are happening the right way now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank
Go
you.
ahead. You're saying something. Go ahead.
So I identified what is best in me. I started sharpening my मतलब मेरे जो हथियार थे उसको sharpening करना शुरू करके, and I started working. And of course I don't know, it's a God's play. The situation gave me all these opportunities where when it started, sir. The good thing is we were one of the first classes in Mumbai who started online teaching during the situation.
Wow, wonderful.
When everyone was struggling. And out of social commitment, I also trained few teachers to how to conduct the class online. The people was not aware of how to use Zoom or other platform. I trained them how to use Zoom for your classes.
Great.
So how to start with whatever you have. So this is what I learned from the course, sir.
Okay. So what course are you offering now? What do you teach?
I personally teach mathematics, but in my classes, through my classes, we are teaching +1, +2, JEE, NEET, and MATA.
Okay.
Architecture entrance exam also.
Okay. And I understand you also started your Facebook campaigns. Can you
Yes. So
share your experience with that?
prior to this, I was only thinking about my area because my classes are in Parel and Dadar and Lal Bagh. So I was thinking about how to get admissions from my area.
Mumbai only,
And
only Dadar, Parel. Yeah.
Dadar, Parel, and you can say 1 kilometer around it, not more
Okay.
than that.
Okay.
So this was my struggle, which was going on. So in February or something after the class, just for time pass, I ran one advertisement which gave me few admissions also, which inquiries also, leads also.
Right, right.
And during this situation, I decided to launch a 10th standard course. Because 10th standard is not my usual way of teaching. And I decided to launch this all over Maharashtra.
Okay.
And so I went through again, because prior to this also I had gone through your Facebook advertisement course. So I again started listening to that, and again step by step I implemented it. And just by spending 5,000 rupees in 5 days, I got 90 inquiries from all over the Maharashtra.
Wonderful. Okay.
And I'm really very happy to share ki the person like me who was only thinking about admissions through my own area, I got admissions from all over the Maharashtra. I got inquiries from Nagpur, I got inquiries from Amravati, and I got admissions from Dhule, Solapur, Sangli, Satara, from everywhere in the Maharashtra. And I got 25 admissions through this.
Wow. Okay. So how much were you charging per student?
This was just because out of the social commitment, I'm just charging 2,000 rupees, 1,900 rather to be precise.
Good enough. 25 students around 1,900 is about 48,000, approximately 50,000 rupees. And you invested 5,000 rupees for it.
Yes.
That's about 10 times the return on investment. It's a good initiative, actually. Right.
And out of which 20 students, because as I said, we were one of the first classes in Mumbai who could start our online classes. Because before even our honorable Prime Minister declared lockdown, our classes were online. We had all the subjects were going as per the timetable online.
Right.
So some of the classes in Mumbai, they were stuck, and so they offered their students. So in 10th standard also 20 students I got through some other classes.
Wonderful.
And in 12th standard I got 13 students through other classes, which I'm charging 5,000 right now per subject. So per student is charged 20,000. So 20,000 multiplied by 13, so 2,60,000, which I procured from this.
Good. So those other classes, they are not able to do it online, so they are giving their students to you now. Is that so?
Right.
Good opportunity.
And
okay.
So now what I have done is, after looking at affiliate marketing, which you said, so what I have done is I am launching my courses, and I'm offering this classes, or rather all other classes who are only into offline mode, who are conducting the classes in their classroom. So I'm offering them a good affiliate marketing opportunity by offering my courses through them. So they will sell my courses.
Okay.
So this I'm working on it right now.
Good. That's a good strategy. Yeah.
I'm working on that model, so they can sell my online live classes as well as courses.
Correct.
This is what I'm doing right now.
Correct. Yeah. Let us know if you need any assistance with that strategizing part for your affiliate marketing also.
Definitely, sir, I will require that.
And so in 2 months, it's about 8 lakh rupees now. Is that so?
Yes.
So what's your earnings target for this year, for the coming year?
Sir, the thing is, my primary, it is not more than money, but for me, what I have went through is, see, if you remember that song from Daddy, आई ना मुझसे मेरी पहली सी सूरत मांगे, मेरे अपने मेरे होने की निशानी मांगे. So my target is 5 crore rupees in a year.
Wonderful.
This is my first target. Then I will look after the other target.
Wonderful.
So I'm planning to earn 5 crores, and I'm working toward that.
Great.
Very dedicatedly, I'm doing that.
I'm sure that will happen, Samarth. My best wishes for that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
And currently there are also other participants who are undergoing the same course with us. What would be the one suggestion that you want to give to these guys? Because you already achieved this, people would want to listen from you. What will be that one suggestion you want to give our current participants?
See, if you accept someone as a teacher, don't judge the teacher.
Okay.
Each and every word that Bhaskar is saying is very important. I'm saying each and every word. What I understood from him is he doesn't use any unuseful words. Whatever each and every word, each and every statement, what he is talking about is to take up as a prasad from him
Okay.
and use it. And it is use it.
Okay.
Very important to use it.
Okay.
So during this video courses that I'm attending after the class, basically in that 3 days, it is just an introduction, that what I understand. The actual class starts after 3 days when
Right.
you offer your courses online.
Yeah.
So become a Eklavya over there. Watch his videos, and not only watch. It is not an entertainment. We just start implementing simultaneously.
Correct.
So see, with the help of only that videos, I can tell you, I have launched my YouTube channel. I did my FB advertising, Facebook advertisement, which I never thought in my life कि ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है मुझसे. Because 6 months back, prior to December, you could have easily said, if you could have met me, and you could have easily said that I am a computer illiterate.
Okay.
I was illiterate as far as a computer. Being an engineer, I was a computer illiterate. Even if I like मुझे अगर printout चाहिए, तो I was depending. If no one is there in the office, I'm stuck.
Okay.
So now I teach them how what is. So it is not only watching the videos; it is you have to implement. So
Taking action is what you're saying.
Yes. Very very important, because uh, uh, that is how it was possible for me to build my list, which I'm building right now. Because prior to this, as a classes, I used to buy data from the market.
Okay.
And now I have started building my list. I understood what is email bombing and all that thing. So each and every word that is said in the videos, my son, if he's around me, he knows your voice, and he imitate you sometimes. Other so at the beginning, hey, welcome.
Now ask him to start launching his own course maybe next couple of months.
He has launched his video channel, YouTube channel.
Wonderful.
And he is in 4th standard, and playing a very good. He is a very good musician. He wants to become a music producer and director.
Wow.
So he is taking classes online and launching his. He has his own channel and he is working on it.
Good.
And
good.
he also sometimes sits with me,
Uh,
because I remember YouTube channel what he created for himself was just by when I was watching your YouTube channel,
okay.
Mastery. He sat next to me. He saw how to, and he created his YouTube channel. He is in just in 4th standard.
Okay. Good to know that.
And apart from that, I could do my webinars, which I never thought about conducting. I conducted a webinar for 250 people last month.
Wow. Okay.
Which because of technical part, not technical, nothing wrong with what sir taught me, which because of the internet issues at my home, which was at some point it was a flop, but then yes, people got what they wanted. They appreciated what I told them. And you know what, that webinar, it was in a very planned manner, just like you say in webinar sales mastery, how to introduce yourself, what are the things that are to be said. So you become an eklavya, and he is a guru for you, and it is just don't take any wrong part from eklavya, where the guru is there, the teacher is there. I have observed that whatever queries I send across on mail, they are answered in 24 hours. Within 24 hours I receive the mail related to the query.
Right.
So now, initially I said don't take it as a time pass, but for me, if I don't have anything to do, I just put on the videos. I start watching, even if it is a repeated, I just listen to it, and I think something goes in, and that is helping me. Helping me.
Correct. And what is your recommendation to anyone who's yet to decide to enroll the course with us?
So I can only say do it now.
Okay.
Because later on, if you do, you will do, but even if you do it later on, you will feel कि काश मैंने ये पहले किया होता. This is what I am feeling, because I didn't procrastinate it, but this is something I feel that right now I'm feeling that this came late in my life. Had it been maybe 3-4 years back, the story would have been different now. But then it's never late. At least I got it. I grabbed that opportunity. I attended his free seminar. I attended his course, and most of and above all, I'm watching his videos continuously and implementing it. So the very important thing is implementation in this case.
And obviously there's a time for everything.
Yes.
Even if maybe 3-4 years back you tried this, the world probably may not have been ready at that time. Now the world is ready to actually take your courses online. That's the way I look at it. There's a time, right? And probably we got into this at the right time. And any final words you want to share with the viewers? Because I'll be sharing this interview with most of our participants. Probably I'll put it up on YouTube, also share with our entire set of people who attended seminars, workshops with us.
See, only 3 words that I feel are very important. The first most important word is discipline.
Okay.
So as I said, I'm working in a very disciplined manner. At least 1 hour in a day, I'm watching the videos, and at least 1 hour I'm putting it for implementation.
Yeah.
So the 3 words are discipline, dedication, and determination to reach there. Okay. Wherever you want to reach. Suppose I said it is not just for the sake of saying I want to earn 5 crore rupees. I want to and I have to earn 5 crore rupees. So determination has to be. So taking these 3 words with you is very important. Discipline, dedication, and determination.
Yeah. Good, Samarth. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you,
Thanks
sir. Thank
also
you
for sharing your opinions and experience with us. I'm sure this interview will become a source of inspiration for most of our participants who will watch this later. And